Good morning. So today is another day of adventure. Today is our epic universe.
Good morning, friend. Good morning, Ate Kuya.
Good morning.
Daddy, good morning. Okay, so good morning. So today is our day 2 here in Orlando, Florida. So our next attraction will be the Epic Universe. Sana magkaroon ng magandang weather for today. Alright, so we're going to... ano ba? Iba-iba kayo. So we're going to Epic Universe, particularly in Super Nintendo World. So, we're heading there. Mo si Mario? Ay!
Quarter mile.
She will marry Mario.
Oh, Donkey Kong yan!
And Stella Nova, then... Alright, andito na kami sa parking. Ramdam na namin ang init, super. Yan na ang parking. We're going to Epic Universe. I think ang mic ko ba't parang hindi nakakonect? Going to Epic Universe. Epic Universe. Open na ba? Hindi pa yata open.
So we're gonna do the camera first. I want to look right here.
Yeah.
Want to look right here.
Right, there we go.
Excuse me.
Hindi na ako super Mario. Super haggard na ako. Init. Hindi pa kami nakakapasok. Security pa lang yun. So mag-set up muna kami ng stroller natin. Ang aming mga power fans. So standard lang muna kami. So tapos kami mag-set up. Look at my setup. Ayan o, I have I have a lot of portable fan here and our stroller. My Epic Universe. Hi! Hello, Epic Universe! Alright, so papunta na kami sa loob. Alright, so katatapos lang namin mag picture, pupunta na kami sa kung saan kami dadatnan. So we're going to Super Mario first. Kahit lima na electric fan ko dito, ang init pa rin.
Ba't yung tanong nila?
12.
Yung Mario pa rin. Okay ba yung restaurant?
Stroller, parking over there. Just anybody stroller.
Alright, thank you. It's air conditioned. I know. Thank you. nakababa na ba si Teddy? Wow! Ma-picture kayo dyan! Okay, so katatapos na namin mag-picture. Grabe. Ilan na to electric fan ko? 4. Not enough pa rin. May kulay. So, dito na kami sa 5. Ay, pasok kami sa 7. Go, Apia! 30, one more para marami kang coins. Bilis! Wow! Ang init. Okay, so binalik lang namin yung stroller dun sa parking spot. Papasok na kami dito sa supermarket. Let's go! Wait, go! 30. Doon sa kabila MJ, sa kabila yung brown, yung brick. Tumunog? Make sure mo tumunog. Kasi pag... Tulungan mo sa pili siya. Yan, next na, doon sa kabila. Meron ba dyan? Meron, umilaw dito kay ano eh. Nasa to. Wala dyan. O ba't yung meron sabi mo bricks lang? Wala. Tara natin ang pila kayo dito, pila. Next. Kasama yan doon sa pagpipilian yung ano, yung... Saan? Oh, go, go! Baka pa rin ang pila. Sige, doon. Ay, si Princess Peach! Say hi! Oh, go, go, go na. Go, 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 go. Pila kagad. Line is closed now. One more. Oh, yun. 30, jump ka malakas, jump. Whoa! Wow! Ba't wala ko? Yun. No, one at a time lang yan. Di pwede doblehin. Tara na. Oo, check natin yung points nyo nga. Sino? Oh. 30. 30. Yeah. Sige pa. Yun. Pia. Oh, yung camera ko. Sige pa. Sige pa. Go. Oh. Oh, yun. Ah. Init. Okay, so tapos na kami mag-picture-picture. Grabe, hindi nakaka-enjoy kasi ang init. May kulay. Pero maganda ang view. Init.
Oh, we could go.
Isa lalayan mo. Alalayan mo. Alalayan mo. Go, go, go. Natatouch ba niya? Ayun, tatouch ko. Go, go, go. Go, yay! Wow, yay! Galing ka, Andrea, Ate Pia. Naubos yung oras mo, Pia. Tap ka lang ng tap. Dahil na, may time yan. Wala na. Atili siya.
Hindi nyo parang
Ubos na, malapit na sa finish siya. O, nanay, ako next ha. Hawak mo. Wow! kapay na. Thank you. Oh, go, go, go. Oo, kailangan mamamatch mo. Oh, go. Oh, hindi siya ikaw. Ayan. Kailangan mamamatch. Oh, go, 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 MJ. Oh, go, MJ. Si MJ muna, si MJ. MJ, go. Oh, go, dito. Try match mo. Go, see next. Oh, wow, mushroom, mushroom, mushroom. 3 points. Oh, fair, 30. Oh, yeah. Oh, next, 30, next. Wow. Oh, mushroom. Hoy, ang tagal mo. Oh, star. One more star. Wow, yay. Oh, 30, go. Go. Oh, next. One more. Dito pa. Oh, go. Oh, kabila. Doon pa. Umagal pa doon. Yay! Oh, happy ka siya. Last one. Go. Ako naman. Go. Tama na. Gawin. Okay, one more. Tap your band. Go. Ikot po. Go. Go. One more. More. Yay! Win. O, Kuya MJ. O, tapos na 30. Done. Hey! Wow! O, Pia, galingan mo ha.
That is not mine. So you went shorter. You might have to go.
Go na! Yay! Wow! Alicia. Go na, MJ. Sino na? Oh, nanay. Oh, go. After nanay, tatay, ha? Alicia, baka mo to. Ako na. Ang init! Ang init! Sa dito. Mga points. Grabe. Nakikita mo sa video, init. Pawis na ako. Okay, so punta na kami sa Tusan man. Kasi meron kami ng lunch sa Atlantic ng 12:45. So tama yun para kasagsagan ng kainitan dito. Okay, saan pa? Ayun pa doon pa. Ayun o, meron pa doon. Ayun, to. Ito nag-aaway, ang dami-dami dyan eh. Next. Dito. Ito yung papasok ko. Isang ano na kasi. Inuubos mo eh. Okay, yan. Thirty, go. Sige, tayo. Yun, okay na. Dito na next. Dito. Oh, wait lang. Dito muna tayo. Wala na. Meron? Wala na. Dito na tayo, dito. Ano ba yan? Flow lang naman yun.
Bomba yan, hindi pa ito talawin yung bag yan eh.
Go.
Three different times. Or you can just stay playing with the dog. Take video and photo
naman yan yung pinaka-highlight yan. Ano yan?
Hi!
Hi, Mark! 20!
Magandaan! Picture ka lang, MJ, bilis! Bago mawala!
Wala na. Oh, 30! 30!
Picture! Harap! Hi!
Asa si tatay? 40. Si Alicia, 40. Si Sophia, baka si Sophia tao. Sophia! 17! Wow!
Kasi hindi ko naman pangalan yan eh.
Tatay, 20. Ay, ako pinamataas. 20.
Sophia!
20. Ba't si nanay niyo wala?
Ba't ako wala? Kasi kailangan ko
I-tap mo dyan. Ba't ako di naman ang nag-tap dyan? Oh, grabe na may score nila, oh. 3,000. Sige, hanggang maubos yung points. Ayun, wala na. Kaya mo ba? Jump mo? O, jump mo.
Pagka na lang.
Sige, ubusin mo. Wala na. Sige. Sige, ano na? Wala na? Dadaanan yun, nakita nyo naman, di ba? Hindi yung daan kayo na. Andun. After na entrance. Ha? O, mamaya. Babalik pa naman tayo dito. Mamaya pa ako. Kain muna tayo. Buti pa si Nana, presko, naka-backless.
Naka-maintenance pa nga.
Alam ko sa Princess Peach, nakasal na eh.
Sabagay mo naman talaga si Princess. Malay niyo bigyan ako ng sing-sing ulit.
Baka naman.
Wala pa naman bibigay yung camera niya.
I know.
Oo, naghahanap ko na naman ng sing-sing na naman. Maganda to pag 360.
Tara, tara, tara.
Tara, right.
Baliw, 12:45 na tayo.
Mag-picture na lang tayo ng lahat. Kahit na tayo.
Lahat muna.
Tayo.
O saan? Pagod na. Alright, so magda-lunch na kami. Here we go! Sino ka dyan?
Hindi ka may tay. Masarap ang may tay ko.
Grabe.
Buti nga, lumilim eh.
Ulan kasi.
Sana ang ulan habang kumakain tayo kasi minsan.
Uwi na tayo.
Thank you. Alright, so dito na kami sa Atlantic. Dito sa
ba rin yung mga
Epic
fan yung
Universe.
nila?
So dito kami mag-lunch.
So,
couple pointers on our menus. When it comes to our cocktails, our Northern Lights is a featured martini. It's an elevated lemon drop with a butterfly pea blossom ice here. We'll have a little bit more water. We also feature our Arancata Mule as a mocktail. It's safe for all ages. San Pellegrino Blood Orange Arancata, lime juice and ginger beer. It's very crisp and refreshing. Perfect for a warmer day like every day here. When it comes to our food menu, our cold bar raw oysters are fresh raw Gulfstone oysters. We do them by the 6 and by the dozen. Our ahi tuna tartare has been very popular with the compressed watermelon, avocado, cucumber, and our house-made boniata chips. But don't sleep on that jumbo lump crab cake. That's been my favorite starter.
Oh, sure.
When it comes to the entrees, the scallops are pan-seared and they arrive at your table on a bed of risotto. The Atlantic filet is my personal favorite. It's a petite filet cooked to order with the potato milk free on the side. It's a layered potato. They flash fry it and pour a little truffle cream on just to kick it up a notch. And then, of course, Captain Fernando's half-pound lobster roll is the star of the menu. But take your time checking it out.
Yeah. How about for the kids? Do you have the for the kids? Yeah.
Menus. We have the treasured grilled
okay.
chicken with the snap peas, the fish sticks, and the mac and cheese.
Okay. Alright. So, sa appetizer muna tayo. Ahi?
And then when it comes to the starters, the kids really like, normally most kids really like the sweet and spicy shrimp. It's like popcorn shrimp with a bang-bang sauce on it.
Okay, yeah. And, can we have a tuna tartar and sweet spicy for the
Tartare
appetizer?
and spicy shrimp to start.
Yes,
Is there any food allergies to Chef Shalita? Double check.
Alright.
I'll get it working right away and grab you some side plates. Let me know if you have any questions for your main.
Yes, sir. And then do you have a Coke, a soda?
Coke?
Yep.
Double tall?
Uh-huh.
I'm good. Relax, man. I know it's hot out there.
Yeah, just one kayo. Yeah, just one
Coke
Coke.
to start.
Chicken grill, saka fish stick, tapos mac and cheese. Fish stick with fruit salad yun and crispy fries. Okay. Ikaw, Pia. Burger, grilled chicken, or fish stick? Yung fish stick yung binibili ko sa Food Lion ngayon.
Siya, 330.
Ikaw? Or mac and cheese? Okay. Hindi siya grill Atlantic. Ikaw?
Atlantic filet mignon.
Ha?
Filet mignon.
Filet mignon. So for our appetizer, we have ahi tuna and spicy shrimp. Sweet and spicy shrimp. So ito ang aming soup, corn chowder, and then tomato burrata. Burrata. So for mommy, I have a lobster roll, and for Kuya MJ, ano yung Kuya MJ?
Chicken nuggets.
Chicken nuggets ba yan? Fish stick.
Thank you.
And then, filet. And kay Ate Sophia, ano siya? Ate Sophia? Mac and cheese. Kay Kuya Tardy, ano sa'yo?
Chicken.
Fish stick.
Fish, yeah.
And then fruits. Kay Ate Alicia, ano sa'yo?
Look, that's
Salmon? Atlantic salmon.
what kind of
Ewan ko, tikman niyo para malaman.
Yeah, so eat na kami. Kaon na. Ang sarap naman nila. Ang sarap ng corn chowder nila. Lobster roll. Fish stick. Kay Ate Sophia. Ano Ate Sophia sa'yo? Ano sa'yo? Mac and cheese. Kay Ate Alicia. Salmon. Kay Kuya Third, ano sa'yo? Fruits and filet mignon. So ito, $48 na lobster roll. Ang tinapay lang. Ngayon nilagsan ng lobster.
Siyempre.
Maliit lang daw, ang laki oh. Kinain mo na yung $30. 48 to, wala na, $10 na lang natira.
And how?
Chips, di ba?
Ano mo, nakatakot yan.
Hindi nga daw siya nag-scream.
Sino ma?
Sophia, sabi niya, doon sa tube.
Is this food?
Mito.
You scream! You scream!
No, I'm not.
Yeah, to the mom!
Eat.
I'm so excited.
Bakit?
That's
Oy!
Mommy.
Kasi Kobe.
Mommy.
Ito yung mukhang masarap po, pinya colada. Ano yung kabyar? Ay, ano yan, yung nagpapal. Anong laman nito? Oh,
Hindi na, hayaan mo na yan.
lagyan mo na lang dyan.
Another plate too.
Yeah, very sour now.
Eto, ano to? $12 na to.
Pwede kami ah. Masarap sa pagkain pinaghalo mo. Pwede kami.
So yeah.
Eto, ano to?
Oh, yeah, yes, no, shark, but like, no,
Bibili tayo mamaya ng ganyan.
Ito, pinya colada.
Oh, yeah, look like
Sarap yan.
put the
Mas masarap to.
No. Hindi na sa bowl. Yan na po si Italy. Kaya nga. There's other guy down. No. There's other eat.
Ito yung passion fruit.
To?
Ew. Ito, ano to? Yung masarap to?
Parang kahulog to.
Wala. Parang ano yung brulee.
Let me try. So better not eat flowers. Daddy, eat real flowers.
Have this ready whenever you are. We can always add another dessert if you would like. There is gratuity for the large party on there already. I'll leave it with the box.
Can I have more?
You want one in a paper cup to walk around with?
Yes, sure.
Do that.
Ang gusto ko ito, tsaka ito.
Yung kung lang lasa.
Creme brulee, ito yan, no? Ganyan yan, no? Dito mo yan, no? Oh.
Don't make
Creme brulee kaya siya. Wala nang sugar, pero creme brulee siya. Alright, so tapos na kami mag-lunch. So lalabas na kami sa sa impyerno, sa labas. Init super. So, at least naman labig kami at medyo umambon sa labas habang kumakain kami. That's the good thing. So, itutuloy na namin ang aming pagkasunog dito sa Super Nintendo Orlando, Florida. Okay, let's go. Sana wala na ulan. Baba na kayo. Alright, so bumalik na kami dito sa Super Nintendo World after namin mag-lunch. Kasi umaambon pa rin. Shoot. Umaambon pa rin. Still raining. Baba ka na dyan, 3D. Okay, so hanap na kami ng parking namin ang stroller.
So, all those alarms that are turning red, all those that are turning red, you press them, okay? Press start. I like this, like this, right?
Just press.
Push.
Push.
So, if you see it doesn't turn up, you got to try again, okay?
Okay.
You just press stronger, okay? Just one time, not twice,
Okay.
Go ahead.
Oh shoot, ayan na. Oh, press daw press, hindi tap. Ipa-press daw ganun Ipa-press daw hindi daw tap. Press, ganon. Yung mga umiilaw, Bilisan nyo, umiilaw Ay, wristband daw, wristband. Ano yung wristband? Ayun na. Ayan, yan pa! Yay! Yay! Alagay nyo dito! Oh, MVP niya! Oh, 30! Ito sa'yo, ay wala na yata.
O yung gamit niya.
Ha? Ewan ko lang, hindi ang coins key. Nakuha na, complete na natin yung key. At tara, sakay na tayo kay Bowser. Yes, I think so. Let me check. Okay. Tingnan natin kung nakuha nyo. No?
There you go.
There you go.
Right on in.
Yeah, perfect. Thank you.
Oh, go. Kakalabanin na natin si Bowser.
Uy, kalabanin na natin sila.
Go inside. Quiet. Si Bowser na yan, ang pila dyan. Alright. Jump. Yun, yay!
Tama na,
Alright, so dito na kami kay Bowser. So nakuha na namin yung 3 keys, kakalabanin na namin siya. Hindi ko alam kung anong games to. So let's see.
Sige, nanay.
One more, dito pa. 5, 6, 7.
Dito pa.
Tabi kaya ano?
Dito pa.
Move mo siya doon sa kabila. Ayan. Hi kayo, hi!
And then the circles, handbags, and lockers on the right.
Right. Okay.
Pati phone?
Welcome, heroes! You've done well to make it this far. Up ahead is our final showdown with Bowser Jr. When Bob bombs are tossed at you, use your arms to swat them away. Got it? Swat bombs away. When bullet bills fly toward you, duck to dodge them. Don't forget, duck to dodge bullet bills. Jump to hit a question mark and get a power. When you get a fire flower, swing your arms to throw fireballs. Yes, swing your arms to throw fireballs. Now go forth, defeat Bowser Jr., and reclaim the golden mushroom. Good luck, heroes!
Alright, here's
Yeah.
go ahead, look down those numbers that you're.
On the right, exit to your left. Grab
14. Ayan, pwede si Derdy dito. Ay!
I got the flower, right? Or so? I got
There's one break serves. If you're just now entering Bowser's Castle, the next race starts in 120 minutes. Once again, if you're just entering Bowser's Castle, the next race starts in 120 minutes.
This guide is only safety experience and feet, which may restrict certain racers from riding due to body shape and size. Please see a picture of them first to be directed from the nearest test seat.
Alright, so nakapila kami ngayon dito sa Mario Kart. Baliktad. Parang joke. Right mo. We're here. Mag-ride na kami. Tara na ito. Saan? Mag-ride na kami sa Mario Kart. So show your hat. Show your hat. Smile, smile kayo. Dito. Dito na naman. ano mo yung band mo dyan? Yung band, ayan. Ha? Di pa start? Ba't sa akin umilaw? Ayan na. Ready, Andy? mabilis na, di ba? Doon siya nakaka-enjoy. Buti si ano pinayagan. Ay hindi. Ano po na tayo siya, kanina pa ako nasa CR eh. Okay, so katatapos na namin mag Mario Kart. So hanap po na kami ng restroom. Ayun pala yung restroom eh. Niloloko ko niya ano. Restroom ba yan? Ay hindi, elevator pala. Okay, so masyado kami nagtagal dito kay... Kanino ba? Dito kay Super Mario. So, pupunta kami ngayon. Maglilibot-libot kami dito. So, one day dito kami. 5:40 na. Ano po? Tagal. Yeah, pipila kami kay Yoshi. Yoshi. Asa na sila? Pila kami kay Yoshi. At hindi lang kami kainan kasi naulan kanina. Pila tayo doon, pila. Ang bilis naman, kakalabas lang nila. Okay, sasakay kami kay Yoshi Adventure. Let's go, Kobe. Hi, Kobe. Yoshi. Hey, Yoshi. Kasama sa 30, di na mamaasa. Kahit Kobe, hindi rin pwede si Kobe. Small. kami. Ha? Hindi, walang Pilipinas dyan. Ilaw-ilaw lang. Hi ka, hi! Ah, okay, sure. Dapat pala dyan ako. Ayan na kami. Hello, Super Nintendo. Hi, guys, Sophia. Hi, Super Nintendo. Sampung araw na kami dito sa Nintendo. Hi, hi! si Yoshi. Maybe pa si Mario. Donkey Kong. And bye! Okay, tapos na kami sa ride namin sa Yoshi. How was it, Ate Pia? How was it, the ride? How was it, the ride? Huh? Good? Is it fun? No. A little bit boring. Kasi pambata lang siya. Okay, so next naman natin is try natin makasakay sa Donkey Kong. Let's go! Wait natin sila dito. Okay, we're waiting for Mario and Luigi. May photographer ba? Ayan, natapos yung line, no? Tama yung pinupuno lang nila yung sasarado kanina. Ayan na! What 10?
10 people? Okay. Anything you guys do not want in your pictures will go all the way by the other friend, all the way to the end for us, okay?
Okay.
So we're all going to do a group picture and then we're going to do some little kids.
Yes. We're two families, so we can do the two. Okay. Ay, camera mo. Camera mo. One device.
One device.
Yeah. Hi!
Beautiful.
Alright, everybody! Picture. Alright, can everybody stay in the center for me? Perfect! Are we ready? 3, 2, 1. Perfect!
One more. Hold on.
One more time!
One more time.
3, 2, 1.
Ayaw?
Can you show us what button to press? Okay, one more time. Sorry about that. This one. Perfect. All right, watch it. 3, 2, 1. Perfect. There you go. Everybody inches this way.
Ang tapos na dapat bro. Ano daw? Ito. Bye Mario! Bye!
Selfie Mario.
Tara. Bye Luigi! Bye! Alright, thank you! Oh. Ayaw na nila. Bye! Kay Toad Cafe! Ewan ko lang, baka doon yung donkey ko. Ano ba yung gusto ko sa donkey ko? Ha? Papaunahin niyo sila. Dito tayo. Bakit?
Sakto niyan, uy. Can you have the book? I have to check that before you leave.
Which one? This one? Okay. Tatanggalin daw. Alright. Alright, thank you. Sa hindi tinatanggal yan. Okay, so tapos na kami dito sa Toad Cafe. Punta na kami sa Donkey Kong. So sayang yung mga in-order namin. Wala silang tago box. Natapon lang. Hindi naman kasi masarap. Kaya pahawak sa sila, tatap ko lang sa box. Hawak ka na. Donkey Kong. Ready. No, igalan mo lang yung kamay mo. Oo, sasakay rin o. Ay, apatan hindi siya. Apatan. Alright, so sasakay kami dito sa Minecart Madness dito sa Donkey Kong. So tapos na kami sumakay sa Minecart Madness. So mas gusto ko yun kesa sa Mario Kart. Mas gusto ko yun. tinatapos ko na tong vlog na to dito sa aming Super Nintendo vlog. So, thank you for watching. It's been a long day. Nakakapagod. Tingnan mo isang buong araw na binili po tong Super Nintendo pero hindi pa kami tapos. So, see you on our next video. Bye! Bye! That's it. Okay, so dito ko na tinatapos sa aming vlog for today. Thank you for watching. Bye. Pagod na ako.